How to fix and solve field searching on HAKO app. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix and solve field searching on HAKO app. If you're having issue in your HAKO app, then you could try the steps in order to fix it. So first thing first, it could be due to the poor connectivity. So go ahead and make sure to check for our internet connection. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, you could try disabling it and restart or rejoin it once again. That could be an essential way to fix the issue as well. If that doesn't seem to be working out, sometimes outdated version can also lead to this issue. So head over to your Play Store and on the search box you want to type in Hacoo. And check whether the app needs to be updated or not. Simple update can fix your issue, so that way you'll be able to fix your issue as well. However, if that's not working out, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. Exit out of the page and long press the application, go to this app info section. After which you want to go to storage and cache, and here you could go and click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so make sure to tap on it only if you're sure about it, or else just leave it as it is and that should be able to fix it as well. After doing these steps, you could also try restarting your device by holding on to your side buttons. That could be able to fix the issue as well. If nothing seems to be working out, you could also try downloading the APK version. So go to the browser and type in APK Hacoo, and that could be able to fix the issue as well. Despite of doing all of these methods, none of the mentioned step works, then you could contact the support team. So for that, you want to go to Hacoo support. When you locate Hacoo support, you want to press the first link that comes, and then you want to go ahead and send the feedback regarding the issue that you're having. So this is the way you could go and solve field searching on HAKO app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.